Hey everybody, it's New York Mike. Guess where I am? Yes, Casino Park. And we have a hawk eating a pigeon. All part of Mother Nature, just as I showed you last week. And man, this is a sight to see, but it's a sight to be sad about. But Mother Nature, feed one, feed the other. And that's what it's all about. So I'll try to give you some angles here to look at. Let's get a little closer here, say hello, go around the back. We'll get a rear view as I gave you last week when he was eating the squirrel. There we go. Just another angle. Here's another angle.